Hello and welcome to Dotnet with Sikhen, and today we are going to start our C# string handling. Today we will be mostly discussing about string and string builder and the differentiation, and also we will be looking like why string is immutable. So let's get started. String. Now what is it? So string in C# is a reference type which is immutable. Now what does it mean by immutable? So immutable means once a string object is created, its value or content cannot be changed. Here you can see every change creates new string in the memory, and that is the problem, right? So you just look at one example here, like string message equal to hello world. So a new memory is created, and then again if we, let's say, concatenate this message with another word like welcome to C# programming, then here also another memory gets created. So basically this message, whatever the message we have with message here like hello world plus welcome to C# programming, it does not update the existing memory location. Instead it creates new memory location, and that is the problem basically. And here also you can see, like if you do message equal to message dot to upper, then again a new memory gets created. And now if you try to print let's say console.writeLine message, then you are just printing this object, the last object, right? So what about the object which are already created and are in the memory, right? So that is remains forever. So that is the problem. And also we can look at like the issues related to performance. Let's say I have one loop and I am iterating this loop 1 million time. Then you can see the problem, right? Because each and every iterating it creates a new memory location for the string manipulation or string concatenation, right? So this is the biggest problem. So it is suggested that whenever you do any string handling, make sure you are not manipulating a lot of things inside the loop. Now what is the solution? So the solution is string builder. So let's look at the string builder. String builder in C# is a reference type which addresses performance issues in string handling by minimizing memory allocations and garbage collections overhead. So string builder basically it minimizes the memory allocations, right? It does not create a lot of memories while we handle the strings, right? So at that time what it does, it creates single allocation, and then it basically append all those strings, and it also works in the garbage collection overhead. We will be discussing garbage collections in our upcoming videos. So today just we are going to focus on string and string builder. So here you can look at the string builder class where sb obj equal to new string builder. So in this way you can create an object of string builder, and then here we have the append method through which you can append the strings here. So here you can see sb obj dot append, and here the sentence like welcome to C# programming, and another sentence is let's explore more features, and another is like another string data, right? So in this way you can add so many sentences or strings in the string builder, and at last you can print like sb obj dot to string. So again it becomes as a whole one sentence, and then you can make it as a to upper, right? So in this way you can handle it. So string handling is done by the when you think like a lot of data or a lot of strings I need to handle, then it is suggested that you go with the string builder instead. Directly you work on with the string. Let's quickly jump into the Visual Studio and look at like how it works in an action. Okay, so I have created few of the messages. So here this is the first message, string message equal to hello world, and I have tried printing the hash code of the message object, right? So here it is hello world, and in another message I have taken like welcome to C# programming, and then in another one again I have taken let's explore more features, and then I have made it like message dot to upper. So each and every sentences here, or you can say like it creates new memory for these objects. So this get hash code indicates like we have the different memory locations for each and every messages, right? Let's run it and see the result. Okay, now you can look at all the hash coded are different, right? So it indicates the object is created in a different locations. Okay, now I have created one class, that is the person, and I have taken two properties here, name and age, and let's quickly paste the code. Okay, so I have created one object, that is the new person, and here the name is Elias and age is 30, right? And currently this reference variable is pointing to this object, and I am printing hash code of that object, right? And let's say I have created another reference variable, that is the another obj, and it is pointing to the same reference variable, right? And again I am trying to print the hash code of that another obj reference variable, right? In this case, hash code of both the reference variable here is same. Why is it so? Because it is pointing to the same memory location, and we have only one object, that is the new person, right? How the string builder solve this problem? Like we have the append method, and you can add as many as strings, and then you can print it, right? So let's run it again and see the differences, like the hash code of at least these references. I'm just commenting it out, and let's run it. So now you can see the hash code are same, right? So this indicates like both the reference variable obj and another obj pointing to the same memory locations. And this string builder here, you can see we can we have one big string here by the help of string builder. So whenever you think like you have to work on strings and you are in the loop and you are working, or basically you are manipulating the strings, then make sure you should take string builder instead of taking string. So I hope you understood what exactly the string and string builder classes and how it works. And if you enjoy this video, then please like it and share with your friends. And if you are new and you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe it. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.